Imagine, if you will, a cosmic symphony, a harmonious melody that captures the essence of the universe and everything that exists within it. Could such a melody exist? Could there be a theory of everything that unifies all the fundamental forces and particles of nature into one single framework? Welcome to another episode of JEECHAMPION, where we delve into the mysteries of our cosmos, and today's topic is no different. The theory of everything, often abbreviated as TOE, is a hypothetical framework that combines all the known physical phenomena into a single, coherent model. It's like a grand cosmic recipe, trying to blend together all the ingredients that make up our universe. The goal? To create a unified understanding of everything from the smallest particles to the grandest cosmic structures. Our universe dances to the tunes of four fundamental forces: gravity, electromagnetism, and the strong and weak nuclear forces. These forces, each playing a distinct role, govern everything from the movements of galaxies to the interactions of subatomic particles. But what if these distinct forces are simply different aspects of the same fundamental entity? That's what the theory of everything proposes. It's the quest to find a single theory, a unified framework that can explain all these forces as different manifestations of the same fundamental reality. One of the key players in this cosmic symphony is gravity, which Einstein explained through his general theory of relativity. Then there's quantum mechanics, that deals with the strange and wonderful world of the tiny particles. However, these two theories, as revolutionary as they are, don't seem to play the same tune. They describe our universe in fundamentally different ways. Enter the quest for unification, the search for a theory that can harmonize the melodies of gravity and quantum mechanics. One promising candidate is string theory, which proposes that the fundamental entities of our universe are not particles, but tiny, vibrating strings. However, this journey is not without its challenges. The road to a theory of everything is laden with profound questions and unresolved mysteries. Can we truly find a unified theory, or are we missing some crucial piece of the cosmic puzzle? The implications of finding a theory of everything are enormous. It could revolutionize our understanding of the cosmos and offer a unified perspective of reality. But the road is long, and the journey is far from over. So what have we learned today? The theory of everything is a quest to unify the fundamental forces and particles of nature into a single framework. It's a journey filled with challenges and profound questions. But it's a journey worth undertaking, for the promise of a theory of everything could reshape our understanding of the cosmos. As we continue our cosmic exploration, remember that every step brings us closer to understanding the grand symphony of our universe. So stay curious, stay inspired, and keep exploring the vast tapestry of knowledge. Until next time, this is JEECHAMPION, signing off.